Why me? Why me? I woke up to a rainy day in Limbe. I mean, shine bright like a diamond. Let me show you guys how the room looks like. This is everything about the room basically, but let me show you guys everything. Let me start from outside. Let me show you guys my view. Right there's a botanical garden. Morning. So I'm seated outside. I'm chilling. It's cold. I'll just go back. This is my balcony. Knock. Close. Make sure it's safe. This is the room.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need.
I really don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad. I think it's good enough for the price. So now that it's morning, I will just fix the bed. You know, do a little morning routine. I'll just shower because we have to. I don't know when we're leaving, but we came here for work, like I said. So we're going to Batoke for work. Yeah, so I'll just shower, brush my teeth, fix the room, and wait until I get cold. And I'm also kind of hungry. Anyways, let's get ready. Hello. Good morning. Oui. Je vais me laver maintenant. What?
Time will bring the real end about your brow. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always have you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby girl, gave me so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. 'Cause the remedy I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that
You guys remember I got this cup in the last video. I don't even know how can for someone like me who doesn't like drinking water. Eh. Time to go shower. God knows I hate water. The rain stopped. It's really very sunny. spaghetti. So guys, I'm all set. I'm ready. I'm sweating to leave this place. I'm going back. Okay, I'll see you guys. I'll miss you. Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, so at this point we were touring Limbe in quotes because we were literally working. I literally got goosebumps from touring Limbe. I literally saw my grandma store, I saw our old house, I saw my old school. Everything was just I was like, take me back. Someone bring me back to those days where I was innocent and just living life. Traveling for this work was not really hard because all I had to do was check what they were doing and make sure it was good, period.
Your life, have you ever seen someone as fresh as Limbe in your life? Come to Limbe. Just smell heaven. Anyway, well, currently on a mission. I'm going to the next location. Probably the newest rapper in town, but yeah. Wait. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, what am I to fear? Look at my school. New Horizon right there. I'll cry. I'll just cry. I can't believe 6 or 7 years ago I was right there. 8 even. Ben, I got mon école. 8 ans passés. Après 8 ans. À pied. No, I was staying up there.
Giving you guys a tour of Limbe. For those of you who have not been to Limbe in your life, and for those of you who it's been a long time since you came to Limbe, this is a quick tour for you. Thank you. You're welcome. By the way, on our way to the destination, I was compressed by 2 healthy men. Everything was giving deja vu. Like I have already been here. What do you mean? Do re mi fa sol la ti? Don't I miss my hometown, man?
This is so satisfying. I'm just going to cry. Oh my god. I'll cry. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I'll just cry.
L'alcool, mon frère, ça.
Voilà.
Non, pour conserver, on sera obligé de mettre certains produits dedans pour.
So guys, I'm in botanical garden. Let me go and see if that's my house. I used to stay there. See that house, it was shiny yellow. Now I don't even understand the color. I want to see if all these fruits that are new are still existing and they're still nice. Can't wait to taste that. I used to ride my bicycle inside here. I used to live my best life, but now this part line. I'm sure they actually bury all these people in this thing. So guys, I'm sure this water is going to the sea now. Abby, where is it going? Let it be known that I came to Botanic Garden. Well, I used to live in here. Funny, yeah, I used to live inside this garden. There are little houses inside. I used to live in one of them. This is nice. Yeah. No, she's showing them the place. I want to show them where they bury these people.
That was it for how I spent the day in Limbe until I came back to Yaoundé. This was just the night view of how Limbe looks like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All that fun stuff. And stay tuned for Vlogmas next week. Baby, subscribe. Don't play with me.